Nature has a simple rule known as entropy. It means that if something is not used, it is going to be replaced by something new. Nothing is in middle, nothing is average. Most people believe that average is good enough, but they are totally wrong. In nature, there is nothing in middle. Either you are living or you are dead. If you are settling for good enough, you are not just safe, you are just slowly disappearing. We fear failure? No, we fear something else. Psychologist Abraham Maslow called it the Jonah complex. We are terrified by our own greatness. We fear that if we will become great, we will be lonely. We fear our own greatness. So we play small. We just dim our light to match the room. But Maslow has a warning for you. If you plan to be small, if you plan to dim your light, you are going to be unhappy in your whole life. Greatness is not optional, it is biological. You have to aim for the greatness. When you accept the average, you just fix a ceiling. And even your friends are going to notice you and they will think this is the limit. But when you accept the greatness, when you challenge yourself, you set the bar for your tribe. You prefer greatness. You like to play with great people and you challenge yourself again and again. Steve Jobs noticed a dangerous pattern in human being. He called it a A player theory. He said that A player who love to be get challenged, who love or pursue greatness, like to work with A players. They want to be challenged. They know one thing: iron gets shaped by the iron. But what about B player? They don't hire A players. They fear them. They hire C player. Why? Because they want to feel superior. They don't like to be challenged by others. And that's same with C player as well. They try to hire D player. Jobs said that Bezos explosion. Here he said that if you are truly pursuing greatness, you are going to work with great people. If you are mediocre, if you are average, you try to surround yourself with average people. When you pursue greatness, when you pursue greatness in life, you are going to surround yourself with great people. And the entry fee is just greatness, just trying to become greater and better. Stop waiting for a better job or a great title. You know that greatness is not in a job or a title, it is in lens, how you pursue yourself. Look at Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Before winning World Cups, before earning millions of money, what he did? He was a simple ticket collector. He could have been pursued that for long, but he didn't. He was not a railway employee. He was going to be a World Cup champion. Don't just watch this video. Follow this in your own life. Be it at studies, be it at business, be it at your notes. Just try to be great. Just try to complete it with full heart. Just give it your all. Don't be sorry for your potential. Do whatever you can and do it with great heart. That's for all today. If you like this video, like and share. Alok Mishra signing off.